TATE CNC stud welding machine adopts 3-gun design and is equipped with laser. It can automatically remove the zinc layer from the surface of galvanized sheets. It has strong welding, high quality and high efficiency. We are the source CNC stud welding machine manufacturer, and we can customize various automated welding equipment for you. We directly provide you with machines and after-sales services, without middlemen making price differences. The prices of machines are cheaper and the services are better. If your product requires automated welding of stud nuts, you can contact us. Free design of welding plan and proofing. Welcome to visit the factory and discuss cooperation. Reduce costs with factory direct sourcing. Low MOQ, OEM, ODM available. Subscribe to our channel for more machine info.